Hi children, how are you? Welcome to our EVS class. Children, now it's time for prayer. All of you close your eyes. Let's start. Asatoma Shatkamaya Tamasoma Jyotirkamaya Mrityoma Amadam Kamaya Shanti Shanti Shanti. Children, slowly open your eyes. Children, in this class, we are going to recall about all the concepts in chapter 2. Before going to the session, shall we do our energizer? That is Juguja. Children, are you ready to do the energizer? Juguja? Let us, you have to say along with me and do it. Are you ready? Yes, let's start. Thumbs up, thumbs in, elbow up, elbow down, knees bend, bum out, juguja, juguja, jugu jugu juguja. Super children. Now we are going to recall about body organs. Children, tell what is meant by body organs? Yes, body organ is nothing but body part. Children, tell what are the organs we can see in our body? Yes, we can see some of the organs such as eyes, ears, teeth and nose. Children, tell what are the organs we cannot see in our body? Yes, we cannot see many organs like brain, heart, lungs, stomach, liver, kidney, etc. are present inside in our body. Children, listen. An organ is a body part that has a special function. Now, let us recall at special function of the body parts. We have many organs in our body such as brain, heart, lungs and stomach. First, we are going to recall about brain. Children, tell what organs present in our head? Yes, you are right. Brain is present inside in our head. Children, tell how the brain helps us. Yes, it helps us to think and learn. Children, tell what is the role of brain? Yes, it controls all the organs and action of our body. Children, tell what is the function of the brain? Yes, it helps us to thinking, learning and it controlling all the body parts. Children, now let us recall about heart. Children, tell what organs present in our chest? Yes, heart is present in our chest. Children, tell how the heart helps us. Yes, it pumps blood to all parts of the body. Children say, which is made up of muscles? Yes, heart is made up of muscles. Children, tell what part of the body gives lapped up sound? Yes, our heart makes a lapped up sound. Children, listen. The major function of the heart is pumping the blood. Children, now let us recall about lungs. Children say, if you inhale, what will happen? Yes, the air will enter into our body, which is named as oxygen. Children say, if you exhale, what will happen? Yes, the air will come outside our body, which is termed as carbon dioxide. Children tell, what is meant by ribs? Yes, the bones in our chest covered with lungs are called ribs. Children say, what is present inside our ribs? Yes, under the ribs we have the lungs, were closed by the ribs. Children, listen. When the lung size will increase? Yes, the lungs will increase when we breathe in. Children say, when the lung size will decrease? Yes, the lungs get decrease when we breathe out. Children listen, the major function of the lungs is breathing. Children, now we are going to see about stomach. Children tell, what is the organ that will be located under the chest? Yes, the stomach will be located under the chest in the abdomen. Children tell, how does the stomach looks like? Yes, it's look like sack. Children tell, which organ will helps in digesting the food? Yes, the stomach will digest the food. Children say, how the body gets energy? Yes, our body gets energy from the food that we eat. Children, does the stomach have any teeth to break down the food? No, our stomach does not have any teeth to break down the food. So, we should chew our food properly. Children listen, the major function of the stomach is digesting the food. It performs mechanical digestion. Children, once again shall we recall the concept of body organs and their functions. We have many body organs such as brain, heart, lungs and stomach. Children, now it's time for homework. Do practice on 2, page number 24 in book. One more question. Do question number 1, page number 15 in workbook. Match the picture of the organ with their functions. Next, do question number 2, page number 16 in workbook. The question is, complete the name of the organs. Children, now we are going to see about the rewards for your homework. Now look at this slide. I awarded with 2 smileys for those who have finished their homework. Children, so do not be delay in submitting your work. I need all your columns to be filled with 2 smileys. Children, now I am going to read the name of 2 smiley students. Akshaya, Ashwath, Kanishka, Dashwant, Hashini, Hensika, Shivalika, Pranav Siddharth, Mokshita and Ravati Prakash ID. Children, give a applause for them. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you, children.